once again. Welcome CBSE class 10th students. Our topic is life processes. Okay, the next topic is nutrition in animals. Previously we have completed the nutrition in plants, now nutrition in animals. We know very well animals are heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic, it means they depend on autotroph for their food. The heterotrophs are divided into three parts. First is called the saprophytes, second is called the parasite, and third is called the holozoic. Saprophytes is actually suckers. Parasites also suckers. Here we are going to talk about the Holozoic Nutrition. Before this, we have to see the division of organisms on the basis of their food. The first topic is division of organism on the basis of their food habits. Food habits mean what is the nature of the food they eat. On the basis of this, we are able to divide the organism in three types. First is called herbivorous. I already told you the definition of the scientific term biological, physical or chemistry. It is totally dependent upon the meaning of the term that is used in. Here the word is herb. Herb is for the plants. It means these animals feeds on plants. They complete their food need for the plant. For example, cow, goat, deer, buffalo, ox, they are the herbivore because for food they depend on the plant only. The second type is carnivorous. Carnivorous, one word is here, card means flesh. These are the flesh eater animals. It means these animals feed on other animal, they are the flesh eater. Okay, दूसरे animal को खाते हैं. For example, we have lion, tiger, fox, dog, etc. Third type of animals are omnivorous. Omni is for both. These animals are plant eater as well as they are the flesh eater. It means they are able to eat both the substances according to their taste, according to their availability. These animals feed on both plants as well as animals. The best example is human. We are omnivorous in nature. These are the three categories on the basis of the food habit of the organism. One more important topic is left here, that is insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant. It is very much clear from the name insecti. These plants are the insect eater. These are insect eater plants. Why they feed on insect? Because the place which is habited for this plant is lack of nitrogen. For their nitrogen need, they have to feed on the insect. One example, one very known example, you know very well. For example, peacher plant. You have already studied about the peacher plants in your 8th class. Just remind it. This is peacher like projection. We know that this is the modification of leaf. This is actually the modification in leaves. leaf of this plants modified into teacher. This is called the teacher, ghada, and this is the lid. When any insect comes in the range of this creature, this lid is covered up and digests the insect. So these are called the insectivorous plant. One more example is there, that is Venus fly trap. These are the there are various insectivorous plants. These are the two. So this is the differentiation of organism or the animals on the basis of their food habit. Now move towards the nutrition in animals. We are talking about the holozoic organism. As we know that holozoic or animals are the animals who feed on solid food. Holozoic organism eat a proper food as a bite. एक कॉर के समान फूड को खाते हैं, एक बाइट के समान फूड को खाते हैं, and we are holozoic in nature. We human are holozoic in nature. All the herbivores are holozoic in nature. Carnivores are holozoic in nature. So in holozoic animals, if the mode of nutrition is holozoic, then these animals contain or follow a complete digestive system. If holozoic nutrition is present, a complete digestive system is present in the organism, in the animals. Complete digestive system, it means a 5-step process. And what are these 5 steps? First, ingestion. It is taking in the food. Second, digestion. Simple digestion of the food. Third, absorption. It means taking the nutrients from the food. Assimilation. It means differentiation or distribution of the nutrients. And last is the digestion. It means removal of the waste, removal of the undigested food from the body. If the holozoic nutrition is there, then animal follow this 5-step digestive system. It is not bothering whether the animal is the small or the big. In human, holozoic nutrition is there. We have a complete digestive system. We have to study it further. But this digestive system is also present in amoeba. The first animal that we have to study is the nutrition in amoeba. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular single-celled organism, single-cell animal, but a complete digestive system is present in the body of the amoeba. It means ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. Firstly, I explained it with the help of the diagram, then further we move to the clear picture. This is an amoeba having shapeless body, single cell containing the cell membrane. Cytoplasm is present inside the body. There is only one cell, so cytoplasm is there only. And also the nucleus is present in it. This is the nucleus. Okay, this is amoeba. Unicellular organism having the holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means they are feeded on the solid food substance. Then what happened? They are lived in the water. They are aquatic in nature. At the time when any food particle come closer to them, an insect or anything come closer to them, they have no hand to feed the food inside the body. Okay, then what they have to do? They develop finger-like projection like this, with the help of their cell membrane. Okay, एक finger-like projection बनाते हैं ऐसा, and they take the food in. Okay, and because of this, the food comes inside the body. This is a nucleus. The cytoplasm is here, and now this food materials also come inside the body. This process is called phagocytosis. This process is called phagocytosis. What is this? This is the food. What is this? This is the pseudopodia. Okay, what happened? With the help of the pseudopodia, amoeba taking the food inside the body. Okay, this process is called ingestion. the food is reached in the body. Okay, engulfing of food, taking the food, self-feeding. Lots of words are there to explain the process. Now, what happened when food enter inside the body? It covered by the some part of the cytoplasm, and this is called food vacuole. This is called food vacuole. And next step, the cytoplasm of the amoeboid cell contains large number of enzymes. Enzymes are present in the cytoplasm of amoeboid cell. Now, what is the role of enzyme here? This is the nucleus. Cytoplasm is present all over the cell, and this is the food vacuole. The cytoplasm, which is the enzymes which is present in cytoplasm, entered inside the food vacuole. This is action of enzyme. Action of enzymes. Enzymes are certain chemical which helps to convert complex food into simple food. It means the process that is performed here is called digestion. Okay, by the enzymatic action, the food gets digested. Then what happens next? This digested food is released out in the cytoplasm of amoeboid cell. This is nucleus. This is little bit. The cytoplasm is present inside this membrane. This is the food vacuole, and now food get digested. When the food get digested, all the nutrients which is formed released out or diffused out in the cytoplasm. It called absorption. The cytoplasm absorbs all the nutrients formed after digestion by the process of diffusion. So, what is the process going on? Nutrients diffuses out in cytoplasm. Then what happened next? Next, the process of respiration is going on, and because of the respiration, the nutrients oxidize to form energy, and that energy is utilized by amoeboid cell for their growth and development. Where this energy goes, this energy is utilized by the amoeboid cell for their growth and development. It means the size of the amoeboid cell increases, and this is called assimilation. In the process of digestion, certain impurity or undigested food waste material remain in the cell. So what happens in the next step? Cytoplasm collects all the waste substance and throw it out from the body. Punctures the plasma membrane or the cell membrane and throw it out from the body. This is removal of waste or undigested food. Okay, then what happened? This is assimilation. What is going on here? Here the growth and development of cell. Okay, now this is the complete 5-step process. As I told you, if the Holozoic nutrition is present in the animal, the complete digestion process is there. That is called the digestion in amoeba or nutrition in amoeba. All the 5 steps are there. Ingestion, that is the self-feeding or phagocytosis or engulfing of food. Then food get digested with the help of the enzymes. Then the nutrients come out from the food vacuole. Then the food vacuole respire to produce energy, and energy is used for the growth and development. And after that, the undigested food is removal out from the body. So this is the 5-step nutrition in amoeba. Now let's move towards the explanation. to study two unicellular organisms. One is the amoeba and second one is the Paramecium. Paramecium is also one unicellular organism. You already studied it about the Paramecium in your 8th class science. Anybody know what is the shape of the Paramecium? Let's remind it. Afterwards, we have to discuss about that also. Now, the topic is the nutrition in amoeba. Nutrition in amoeba or digestion in amoeba. Okay, amoeba is a unicellular organism, single cell organelle, but the Holozoic nutrition mode is present in the amoeba. The mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is Holozoic. And if Holozoic nutrition is there, I already told you, it is completed into 5 steps. If the Holozoic nutrition is there, we have the 5-step digestive system is there. Now what happened? The first step, the first soak, Holozoic. So it is completed. It is completed in 5 steps. In 5 steps. Okay. And first is the ingestion. That is taking in the food. Food को अंदर लेना. ठीक है? Amoeba ingested food by using their pseudopodia. Amoeba ingested food with the help of pseudopodia. And this process is called self-feeding or phagocytosis. Now this is the process called ingestion. Now second is the digestion. As I told you, the enzymes is already present in the cytoplasm. That enzymes acted on the food vacuole and digest the food present in the food vacuole. The food present in food vacuole is digested with the help of enzymes. Which enzymes are already present in the cytoplasm. Enzyme present in cytoplasm. Who is the supplier of the enzyme? It is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm supply the enzyme. Okay. And what is the role of enzyme? These enzymes convert complex food to simple food. Now third is the absorption. When the digestion is over, what is the next step? The nutrients which are formed is circulated in the cytoplasm. Amoeba absorb the nutrients directly from the cytoplasm. Food vacuole releases nutrients or diffuses nutrients in cytoplasm. Okay? It means animal absorb the nutrients from cytoplasm. Nutrients is absorbed from cytoplasm. Now what happened next? That is assimilation. This nutrients require to produce energy, which is utilized by amoeba for growth and development or their life processes. Now what happened next? That is the last step, is called digestion. Now what happened in digestion? The undigested food is removed out from the body of the amoeba, removed out from the amoeboid cell. So what is the process going on? Amoeba collects all the undigested food or waste. Undigested food, from where it is collected? From cytoplasm. And throw it out through cell membrane. Now, in this way, the digestion is in amoeba get completed. It is a 5-step process as present in all the holozoic organisms. We have to study the digestion in Paramecium also. As I told you, I will remind what is the shape of Paramecium. Paramecium is also a unicellular organism, unicellular animal. Anybody remind what is the shape of the Paramecium? The shape of Paramecium is termed as the sleeper shape. It is a shape in the sleeper in shape. Any other peculiarity that you have studied in 8th class about the Paramecium? कुछ आपको याद है और जो आपने 8th क्लास में पैरामीशियम के बारे में पढ़ा है? Remind something that you have studied in 8th class about the Paramecium. आपको कुछ भी जो 8th क्लास का याद है? If you remind it, then it is the nutrition in Paramecium. Okay, as I told you, Paramecium is a sleeper-shaped organism. What is the shape of Paramecium? Something like this. Okay, the two types of nucleus are present in Paramecium. One is called the micronucleus and other is called the macronucleus. Similarly, unicellular or the cytoplasm is present here. This is the mouth. That is the spatial feature which is present in Paramecium. This is the mouth of the Paramecium. And second important thing, the whole body of Paramecium is covered by hair-like projection, hair-like structure that is called cilia. Whole body is covered with fine thread or hair-like projection, and that is called the cilia. What is this? Cilia. It is also carry the same mode of nutrition, that is the Holozoic nutrition. It means the 5 steps of nutrition is there: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and emission. All the processes similar as in the amoeba. Only one process is different, that is called the ingestion. Okay, Paramecium is also unicellular organism having Holozoic nutrition. Must remind it. Now, what happened in the Paramecium? Let us suppose any food component come closer to the Paramecium. Now, in amoeba, we see the cell membrane. produces pseudopodia, and that pseudopodia collect the food. But here the cilia start movement frequently. Cilia तेजी से move करते हैं, frequently and continuously they move, and they carry the food near the mouth, and this food is reaches in the mouth. Okay, cilia बहुत तेजी से vibrate होते हैं, बहुत तेजी से move होते हैं, and they collect the food and inside the mouth. And what happens next? This food comes in the cytoplasm and form a vacuole called the food vacuole around it. Okay, this is the food vacuole. This is food. Okay, only the difference is the way to cell feeding of the cell, and that process is called the ingestion. What is the difference in the amoeba and paramecium in the regarding the nutrition? It means they are only the engulfing method. Engulfing or the cell feeding method is different. What happened in the paramecium? Paramecium ingested the food with the help of cilia. So the cilia is there. This is the cilia. With the help of cilia. Cilia present around the mouth region. Move frequently and continuously to collect the food, to engulf the food inside the mouth. There is a little bit difference between the digestion in amoeba and the digestion in paramecium, and rest of the process is same as in amoeba. There is no need to repeat here. You must see in the previous course. Dear students, you know very well the CBSE board reduces your syllabus up to 30%. Okay, all of my video I will send to you is based on new revised syllabus. From today's video, I must try to give some homework question to you also. You must watch the video up to the last and try to complete all the questions given by me. Must remember, you have to like the video, you have to share the video, put some comments, what changes you want to in my video, then it is necessary to subscribe. Then only you get the notification, and you must press bell icon. So, okay, till next video.